Due to issues with the cap sometimes not being tightened enough or being too tightened and difficult to come off, we have implemented a new mechanical solution to lock in the caps. What we do on our end is to create a notch on the threads on the cap using a machine. Take note on the cap of the notch with the back of it dremeled out and insert the cap on the wheel and thread all the way until it is hand tightened. Once it's hand tightened, the notch that has been dremeled out, use a Sharpie to mark the wheel where that notch lines up. Use a straight edge and mark the inner circle of the wheel along where you marked the notch on the outer wheel. Once you have the inner circle notched, insert the drill bit 2 threads below the top and drill your hole. After the hole has been driven inside the wheel, next use the provided tool to tap the hole to create the threads. After the hole has been tapped inside the wheel, use the provided set screw to screw in through the hole all the way through to make sure it's tapped correctly. At this point, use the hex key to turn the set nut inside the hole, but verify that it does not go through the other end. At this time, apply some anti-seize to the cap, which is provided, and thread the cap onto the center of the wheel. When the cap is hand tightened, the hole on the notch should line up with the set screw. You can verify with the flashlight that the hole behind the notch is directly above the set screw. Use the provided Allen wrench at this point to tighten the set screw. As you tighten the set screw, the screw itself will insert itself into the notch on the actual threaded side of the cap. So this set screw now prevents the driver's cap from loosening, and it prevents the passenger side caps from over tightening.